Notion AI is a great tool for organizing research and creating study notes. Here's how you use it. You can go ahead to the dashboard and click the Notion AI at the bottom right here. You're gonna see it, and we're gonna type summarize this article, for example, right? This is the article, right? And I want to summarize it, right? You can just go ahead and hit enter to summarize this article. It says right here you're out of free AI responses. You can just go ahead and get back to it later and summarize the article, right? I have to wait a couple days in order to actually do that, right? And basically summarize this article, for example, and then we'll summarize it or highlight key points of this article. And you can use basically for research papers or study topics, ask AI to create an outline, right, for a report on climate change, right? I'm using a lot of climate change, but you can use any topic for that matter, right? And clarify concepts, like for example, stuck on a difficult concept, ask AI to explain, right? Explain the concept of climate change. In my case, I'm gonna use climate change to make it easier for y'all, okay? Or provide examples of that concept, okay? And hit enter. Another way of doing it, you can create a flashcards. Ask Notion AI to generate flashcards. Generate, right? Flashcards for, right? For key terms in this text, right? Maybe something about the climate change, right? For example, messaging or a something or a chapter, basically, or something like that, right? Or you could just write down your question to summarize, right? Summarize this chapter. In my case, I'm using the climate change into question or Q&A, right? Q&A. And you're gonna paste your article basically, right? And hit enter, okay? And you can organize your notes by leveraging AI to structure your notes by topic, subtopic, and key ideas. For example, organize these notes into clear guide or clear study guide, right? And you're gonna add your note, or you're gonna paste your note and hit enter, okay? By using Notion AI, you can study smarter and stay organized. Try it for your next research project or exam prep. So you're gonna see the answers for you, because if you upgraded your Notion AI, or basically you're using your Notion AI for the first time, just do as I showed you now, and you're gonna be able to see the answers for all of your questions. Let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.